Hi guys, today we're going to do a quick video about reviewing probability as fractions. So in order to do that, we have to review the vocabulary of outcomes. An outcome is a possible option in a probability experiment. So if we think about if we flip a coin, we want to know what our possible options are or what our possible outcomes are. So we could land on heads or we could land on tails. Those are the only two possible things that could happen if we flipped one coin. That means we have two possible outcomes. We could have heads or we could have tails. So flipping a coin has two outcomes. In order to represent the probability as a fraction, what we want to do is represent the likelihood of a specific outcome, or the numerator, compared to the total possible outcomes, or the denominator. So if we think about flipping a coin and getting heads, we want to look at the likelihood of the specific outcome. Well, there's two possible outcomes. One of those is heads. So the likelihood of this specific outcome, getting heads, is 1, which becomes our numerator. And then compared to the total possible outcomes, well, there's 2. We have either heads or tails. So that becomes our denominator, 2. So the probability as a fraction of flipping a coin and getting heads, the specific outcome, is 1 over 2. Let's do a couple more examples looking at this jar of marbles. Let's say I want to know the likelihood of choosing a blue marble from this jar. So the first thing I need to do is figure out what my specific outcome is, which is going to be the numerator, and that's choosing the blue marble. So when I look at my jar, how many possibilities do I have of choosing a blue marble? There's 1, 2, 3. So my numerator is going to be 3. Now I want to look at how that compares to the total possible outcomes. And in order to do that, I have to look at how many marbles are in the jar in total. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the total possible outcomes are 20. So I have a 3 in 20 chance of picking a blue marble from this jar. That's how you represent the probability of something in fraction form.